Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore white balance settings to default on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So, as you guys can see, we are in the Camera Hub, which is an app designed for ELGATO cameras. And what we need to do now is scroll a bit down until we see white balance right here. So if you want to restore it back to default, let me show you guys. Let me disable the automatic one and let me change the color to cold one. And now let me restore it. As you guys can see, now it's back to automatic and the temperature is at 5000, not at 2800. So as you guys can see, now let me do it again. As you guys can see, now it's also restored back to default. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.